Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, pardon the interruption, but August 29th, that's it, man. We're running out of time. It's right around the corner. We're going to be pulling the ticket to this 2025 Gaskets 450 Factory Edition that we loaned to Justin Barsha and wrote it at Southwick. It's got 3 hours on the time meter from what he wrote it, and I wrote it. It's signed by Justin Barsha. It includes a set of his riding gear, and there's 10 bucks at kaplancycles.com. Go get your ticket. Someone's going to win. Might as well be you. Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1990. This has got to be the nicest 1990 RM250 I've ever swung a leg over. Look close, look everywhere, look hard, screenshot it and blow it up, and you're going to see nothing but perfection. This thing has been done to the nines by Kaplan Cycles here. Our lead tech, Devin Aube, one of our A-techs, did a frame. Devin Einstein Aube did a frame up Concours level restoration on this thing. And I don't use that word lightly. Actually, Concours is supposed to be all stock. Let's call it a resto mod, okay? But it's a 10. The bike is absolutely stunning. Powder coated frame, brand new wheel set. Started off with a brand new set of XL hoops with XL spokes, new rim locks, new tubes, new rim strips. The original hubs were vapor blasted, painted, new bearings. Brake system's brand new caliper. Excuse me, brand new rotor. The caliper's been vapor blasted and completely redone. All new hardware, braided stainless lines. The forks are redone. New front fender, new front number plate. Check out the, just take a look at the color combo on this thing and the slingshot graphics on this. Just take a good look at this bike, man. It is, if this don't get your blood rate, your heart going, you might be dead. I mean, this is classic rocket ship slingshot two-stroke. If you don't get the whole shot on this, you got to look in the mirror, man. This thing's something else. Forks are completely done. New steering stem bearings. The tank, Devin's a pro at restoring plastic. The tank came out absolutely beautiful. New radiator shrouds, new number plates, all new graphics, new rear fender, new seat cover. Take a look at the bottom of this bike. I always say you got to look at the bottom of it. It looks, how's it look down there? Does it look brand spanking new? It should. Let me put it up on the stand, and I got to grab the work order. This is one of those bikes where there's been so much done to it that it's easy to overlook the magic, and the magic is in the details on a bike like this. It looks really like a factory race bike from 1990 would look. The OEM look on the graphics and decals, everything's super clean, like it just came out of the box and it was loaded up with some killer upgrades. Absolutely stunning, brand new frame off restoration. It's a museum quality fit and finish. Complete tear down and rebuild. Every component was disassembled, inspected, and rebuilt, refreshed, or replaced. This is much better and faster than a new one. Powder coated mint original dent-free frame. Powder coated the kickstand and the rear shock spring. And the engine was given a complete teardown and overhaul. The mint original engine cases had no welds, no cracks, or repairs in them ever. The engine covers, cases, and cylinder were vapor honed for a precision finish. And the OEM crank was rebuilt with new bearings. Has new wrist pin, new top end bearings, all new seals, all new gaskets, new piston and rings, a new power valve retaining clip, and tons of OEM brand new hardware sent out, the OEM original hardware sent out for new zinc coating. So the rest of the hardware is several of the components are NOS OEM original hardware components that were ordered online from Partzilla, rather than, you know, the department store garbage or the Chinese stuff. The radiators are mounted with new hardware and new rubber dampers. Those are details often overlooked. New radiator hoses, fresh AMSOIL Power Sports coolant. It has a new CDI box cushion. That's another detail often overlooked. New spark plug. The intake and fuel system has been completely gone through. A new freshly oiled air filter. The carburetor was cleaned, rebuilt, and tuned. Has a new FMF Gold Series fatty pipe and a new Pro Circuit factory sound silencer, which just barks. The stainless series silencer is the hot ticket on this bike. New exhaust springs, new exhaust gaskets, new exhaust dampers. The brakes are all new, vapor honed, then rebuilt front and rear calipers and master cylinders, new brake pads, new golfer braided stainless brake lines, new brake line guides, new PSR rear rotor guard, new caliper guard. The wheels, suspension, and chassis are all completely rebuilt. Brand new wheels with gold XL hoops laced with new stainless spokes, to vapor honed OEM hubs, new rim bands, bead locks, tubes, and new Dunlop Geomax AT82 tires. New wheel bearings. The forks are rebuilt with new seals and 5-way Amsoil fork oil. The rear shock was sandblasted and vapor honed, then rebuilt with new bumper and freshly powder coated spring, new shock decal, all new chassis bearings. Every bearing on the chassis is new stem bearings, new swing arm bearings. The OEM linkage was restored. Not just restored, the linkage, if you look closely, was sandblasted, then vapor honed, then rebuilt with new bearings. The OEM swing arm was sandblasted and vapor honed. That's not a fake finish on there. That's done right. New chain slider, new fork guards were added, all new controls. Brand new blue Renthal twin wall bars, new ODI lock-on grips, new clutch lever and perch, new clutch cable, new kill switch, new throttle cable, new gold chain, new black sprocket, which looks badass with the gold and black combo is just killer. If this thing doesn't get you going, you know, just hang it up. Just go get an electric car and go get in your Prius and you know, go to the old folks home. But if this thing doesn't get you going, it's too late for you, man. Just a spectacular piece. All new plastics, new seat foam and seat cover on the OEM pan. It's an absolutely stellar, completely rebuilt 1990 RM250. This bike has been meticulously restored. It was a good, spectacular, low-hour core example to do this with. You never want to do this on an old Roach. The tranny and the frame rails and the engine cases and the hubs and the swing arm and all the components that were reused were in excellent condition. So the finished result is nothing short of spectacular. Zoom in on that shock real close. Show them the shock body, the decal on it, the powder coating on the spring, the new bumper. Just a spectacular, spectacular piece, and it is a standout piece of motocross history. It's ready to race or show. Ship it right to your door. We can finance it for you. Be enclosed and insured. It'll come white glove shipping right to your door anywhere. So this bike is known for its raw two-stroke performance, razor sharp handling, and the lightweight frame. Perfect for collectors, a vintage racer, or anyone looking to relive the thrill of old school two-stroke moto. And this 249cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine is better than new, and the 5-speed transmission and clutch work and shift beautifully. Has a check out the shock guard on the disc guard on the back, brand new disc guard. That's a brand new disc on the rear. All new hardware, new braided stainless lines. It has the IMS Pro Series pegs. There's probably some stuff we left off of it, off the list, but everything is done on the bike, and it was done right. It doesn't get any better. That's the good news. The bad news is there's a 80-hour work order. That's 2 weeks, 9 to 5 every day to do this, not including sending out the powder coating and any of the subcontracted stuff, but 80 hours of labor. That's the bad news. At $150 an hour, it's $12,000 of labor plus close to $4 grand in parts. So I haven't added up the work order, but for the parts, but let's call it $3,000 just to be conservative. You're looking at a $15,000 restoration. That's the bad news. The good news is the buy it now price is substantially under that. Matter of fact, the buy it now price is just about enough to cover the labor on the work order. So it's like getting the parts in the bike for free. Nobody in the United States has a nicer RM250 better than this one at this price straight up. If there is one, put a link to it in the comments, please, because I'd like to see it. Talk is cheap. This one's a diamond, and it's brand new. It's got, 5 passes up and down the driveway by me, and that's it, man. So don't miss out. We've only got one of these, and once it's gone, you're going to have to wait. When I said it was 80 hours labor to do this bike, that doesn't include weeks of ordering and waiting for parts. It doesn't include all the thought put into it. I'm just talking about actual hour spinning wrenches, not ordering the parts. Look at the tires on this thing. Look at the wheels. The attention to detail is a 9. So one of the reasons we nicknamed him Einstein. When he wants to do something, he does it right. The trick is finding a project that he wants to do. So don't give him an Ironhead Sportster. Just kidding. So yeah, this is a spectacular machine. I'd be thrilled to race this exactly the way it is, and probably enjoy racing this more than I would a brand new 250 or a 450, because there's something cool about whipping up on the new bikes on a 35-year-old classic. Don't get any better than this. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.